got me feeling like for someone can.
Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is going to be a week in my life. This week I have my psychiatry shelf coming up, so I'm pretty much focusing on studying for that and still incorporating step 2 studying in along the way. So yesterday I called a burn day because I was like going hard yesterday, like trying to get a lot of stuff done. Today's a little bit more chill for me. It's honestly just going to be like a study day, review day, and I'm just going to take you guys along with me. I just finished having my breakfast. Yesterday I took practice NBME. I find it to be a lot more productive if I actually get to review it when I'm awake and alert, and I can like go through it, read the NBME explanation answers. And that's actually something that's really high yield, is actually reading through the NBME explanation answers and seeing how they wanted you to think through the process. So I plan to take another NBME today and also review that today. So how I go about this to make sure I'm effective, and basically the notes that I took while I was taking the test. So like, oh, I forgot what this drug is or whatever, I really focus on that stuff because I realize that there's things I know. So why am I gonna waste time reviewing things I really know and I'm really good at? I don't think I've ever like actually filmed like study along with me video, so I'm gonna try to do that today. Okay, so the first thing that came up was schizoaffective disorder. I got that right, but I think it would be worth to kind of review. Okay, so there's 5 answer choices here. Dysthymic disorder, I know that's like the rule of 2s. I do like 2 years of like low mood. For major depressive disorder with psychotic features, I'm thinking then equal to 5 of the SIGI cap symptoms, and then also having psychotic features. Also with major depressive disorder with psychotic features, they only have the psychotic symptoms when they're also experiencing the depressed symptoms. Oh my god, so got it. Alright you guys, so this is my last week on psychiatry. I told you guys I'm focusing on my psych shelf, focusing on refining those last minute psych details. Today I'm actually at the VA, and so we're gonna go ahead and just head inside. Hi guys, just got out for the day. I have a meeting at 12 and I literally have minutes to get home. Thankfully the meeting's on Zoom. Oh my god, I'm so late. I don't even know what I look like. Nice to meet you, I'm Krista.
What's out there and how we can structure the discussion part of our paper.
This is going to be a really raw moment right now. I'm feeling very stressed out right now. Oh my god, thank you god. I was literally about to tell you guys how I'm so stressed, and I literally just got a text literally for the reason I was stressed and anxious. Thank god everything works out the way it's meant to be. Alright, time for me to go ahead and head to Moonlight Clinic. Moonlight Clinic basically is like for overflow patients that can't get into the normal during the day clinic. If they have like any like acute concerns that they want to be looked at, that's essentially what Moonlight Clinic is for. I love to volunteer my time, so I try to go as often as I can.
of his work. But Kendrick breaks and raving like a lunatic. He helped put out my opinion. Luke is not a dancer. And Drake, he's about to drop one alluding to. That's really right. But I think maybe it's like feels that way. I don't think and they still feel that. Remember to also anytime you want to just perform it, you find it in. Kanye West needs to he's been booted out the X, discriminating against her size.
Hi guys, so I did not vlog this morning because I woke up pretty late and I needed to get to my psych rotation on time. Following the same patient I've been following since yesterday. I did not cook yesterday because I was just not feeling well. I think the flu is going around, like at least 6 or 7 people I know have gotten sick with the flu. So I'm just hoping that it's not my turn. So I'm gonna finish my lunch, then we're going to do another NBME and another day of Krista just studying. I was about to wind down and go to bed when I saw that my brother brought in a package for me. And I was like, why don't I film a little try-on haul before I go to bed? Okay, so one of my friends, she's wearing some pants that I really liked. And she told me that she got them from Shein. So I went on there to go check out the pants and I saw they had a bunch of other cute stuff on there. So I decided to do a little shopping. This is my first time ever shopping from Shein. I have never like bought anything from Shein before. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this stuff. So, okay, so first we have this. Let's figure out what's in here. Okay, oh, it's a cute little dress. I feel like it's super cute. I honestly feel like it's the perfect length. Okay, I see the vision. I think that, so, and I think I'm supposed to like tie right here. How cute is this top? It has like these cinched wrists and then it's very loose. Hi guys, so I took my psychiatry shelf this morning. I got home probably like 30 minutes ago and just got off of a meeting. I signed up for this really cool opportunity and I actually just heard word back. I heard word back about 2 weeks ago that I got it, and so now that I got it, I have just like a bunch of things that I have to accomplish that are in place, and it's just opened more opportunities for me. So that's what I keep saying, like, you guys, every opportunity that you can take, like, take it. Even if you don't think that you're gonna get it, like, try. You never know. Take every opportunity that you can get. Try. Don't give up. Believe in yourself. And, you know, advocate for yourself. Speak up for yourself. That's my advice there. But anyways, I need to go and grab something off the printer, sign it, scan it, and then I need to attach it and upload it for this thing that I got accepted to. Today's date. Someone convinced me there is nothing worse than coming home to an unmade bed. Dry skin, but you love a matte look, you need to do your makeup like this. Okay, I'm finally done. My video is going up. Let's make that public. What music are we doing today? We're gonna do some Chaperone. I got a sub right now because I don't know if you guys know, my brother is my roommate. I mean, what a better roommate than to have your brother. If you and your brother or you and your siblings get along, make them your roommate, because having my brother as my roommate has come in so clutch. If he's being dirty and like he's not doing what he's supposed to do, be so honest with him without fear of like him hating me. Hi, I'm good. How are you? I'm gonna get a whole chicken tender sub.
Hey, well, honey, turkey for a hoe. This is a regular sub, because I don't want to cook. She told me I can grab any bread over there.
I'll take lettuce. I'll take lettuce on the entire thing, yeah. And then on just one half, I'll do olives, some black pepper on top, and that's it.
On the whole thing?
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You'll put the bread.
picked up the soap for me and my brother, picked up a couple of snacks. So today is Valentine's Day. So for Valentine's Day, I just wanted to do something super chill, super cute. I think I'm gonna wash my hair tonight, Mommy.
Alright, we talk to you later.
I love you, Mommy.
Love you, Krista. Love you, bye.
Okay guys, so I decided that I'm going to wash my hair today. I'm gonna use my favorite brand, Shea Moisture. I'm gonna use the Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment. And I'm also gonna mix that in with my Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on some gloves. And I'm gonna put some water and wet my hair up. Alright, so I'm done putting a little bit of water in my hair. I don't try to like fully soak my hair, I just try to get it damp. You guys, I went to Dry Bar to get my hair straightened after I took step 1, and I cannot believe how long my hair had gotten. And even the people doing my hair are like, wow, your hair is like super long, but like you can't even tell because of how much my hair shrinks up. And I remember someone saying like I had like 4C hair, and I'm like, I have type 4 hair, but I definitely do not have like 4C hair. I don't know what curl pattern I have, but I'm pretty sure this is like 4A is my curl pattern. So to the person that said that I have 4C hair, I have to disagree with you on that one. Anyways, so I'm just gonna take some of this, rub it through my hair. Really, you wanna really get it on the ends. I'm gonna go underneath the dryer and sit with this on my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and detangle my hair. Alright, we just got from underneath the dryer. So soft, oh my god. Curls look really good. I always like to show. It's so crazy being natural because my hair, despite all these years of hair growth and sticking with a consistent hair care routine and all of that, like no matter what, my hair always shrinks back out to this length right here. So let's go ahead and just detangle my hair now. It feels so soft, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So I always start by working on my ends first to detangle, and then I just work my way up. Alright, I just got out the shower. Let me get my rubber. Let's see what craziness we're working with. I used a really big white t-shirt to wrap my hair up. Oh my god. Because it helps absorb some of the moisture out my hair without making it like too dry. Because I like my hair to still be damp so I can rub products in it and work with it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and air my hair, but before I do that, I like to put a couple products in my hair first. So if you've ever blow dried your hair and it ends up feeling, you know, very like greasy and weighed down, you're probably using one, either too much of the product, or two, you're using the wrong products. With curly hair in particular, my hair needs a little bit more moisture and a little bit more TLC, so it's kind of finding that delicate balance of how much to use while still getting the results that I want. So first I'm starting with this lightweight leave-in conditioner, and with this a little goes a long way, but you want to make sure you're really getting it on your ends, not so much on your roots, because that's when your hair starts to feel really greasy and weighed down. So I use this all over, and I'm not afraid to use it. I really just kind of keep it on the mid shaft all over. And don't be afraid to rub the product through your hair. Like open up in there. And look at the like difference a little bit of that makes. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of heat protectant. This one's from Heritage. Heat protectant is a non-negotiable. It keeps your hair soft, and it also keeps your hair from breaking off from heat damage. Alrighty. See what we're working with here. Ooh, yes. Oh yeah. My journey too. Like, isn't that crazy, you guys? Like, this hair is like here. Let's turn around for a second. Bro, that is magic. We're gonna Finish this section. This is what I've decided on. It's not red, it's like orange.
Live with us?
Not live.
One of my biggest goals is to have children and be
3, 2, 1. Okay.
That looks good.
That's my favorite view.
That's not me, but that's a good portrait.
Let me see yours.
No.
Let me see.
Oh, I'm not good at portraits. What are you doing?
This is funny.
Oh, you did a good job. Nice.